To troubleshoot Bill4Time rate tables. Start by understanding the basics of how rate tables work in the system. Rate tables determine the hourly rates for your services and are used to calculate the total bill. For clients, first, ensure you have the most up-to-date version of Bill4Time to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, verify that the rate table is properly set up and applied to the correct client or project. Check the rate table name, description, and effective date to confirm it matches your requirements. Identify the type of rate table issue you are experiencing, such as incorrect rates, missing rates, or duplicate rates. For incorrect rates, review the rate table details and compare them to your agreements or contracts with clients. For missing rates, check if the rate table is incomplete or if a new service has been added that requires a rate. To edit a rate table, navigate to the Rate Table section in Bill4Time. Select the rate table you want to modify, and click Edit. Make the necessary changes, such as updating rates or adding new services, and save the changes. It is essential to test the rate table after making any changes to ensure it is working correctly. Create a test invoice or project and apply the rate table to verify the rates are being calculated accurately. Best practices for managing rate tables include regularly reviewing and updating rate tables to reflect changes in your services or client agreements, using clear and descriptive names for rate tables, and maintaining a record of changes made to rate tables for auditing purposes. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot and manage your Bill4Time rate tables, ensuring accurate billing and streamlined financial management. Regularly reviewing and maintaining your rate tables will help prevent errors and ensure compliance with client agreements.